Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Conrad ke sangma Myntri kajila ulahab ban Jubab Jingkylli belabu dakalok ke Dr. Metap Chandi sangma kebadai ke MLA Nagam Bigre constituency hakikanta kali Jingkylli namar bompoi Myntri badai ya Tnad Ïingdorbar ka Metap kalabu Jingkylli laga sorkar jila ke don ke jingpen kre ban play ke College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry Conrad ulet ho baka kinhun Myntri hausnam arja arpuar kala rai ban play lai tadi college kata ka college veterinary college fishery bat college dairy ulet ho baka jingtmu ban sengi kini college kadai namar hapo ka jila ki babon ki dei ki bari jingri
Reply to star question 142A. Yes, sir. Reply to star question 142B. Sir, the process of preparation of DPR is ongoing. Time frame will be finalized in due course and at the earliest.
I thank the Honorable Chief Minister for the reply through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. My first supplementary question is, sir, how many colleges are being planned and when did the planning start?
Sir, in 2022, the cabinet then had decided, so I don't have the exact date, but I remember the year 2022, the cabinet had decided that we should have a college for veterinary, 1, a college for fishery, 2, and a college for dairy. So these were the 3 colleges which we had decided in the cabinet that we should have these particular colleges because of the urgent need that is there and also keeping in mind that the large population of our state is involved in livestock rearing.
I thank the Minister again for the reply through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Another supplementary question. Sir, do we have any veterinary training centers, and if so, how many and their names?
Sir, there are veterinary training centers in the state. I do not have the exact number with me of how many there are and exact locations, but definitely, sir, there are the training centers in different parts of the state, sir.
Sir, I also want to know if it is a fact that today, veterinary department, we can see that the availability of manpower in these centers is very rare. As I have repeatedly got complaints from my constituency who practice a lot of livestock rearing, and many of our rural populace is dependent on the livestock economy. So, sir, I want to know if these centers are functioning properly.
Sir, the principal question is mainly about the college that is to was proposed to come out. So therefore, of course, this is a related subject, but it is not directly as part of the primary question, the principal question. But, sir, we are aware of the manpower shortage that is there, and it is definitely a matter of concern. In fact, we have been discussing about this particular issue, and yes, sir, the steps are being taken for us to ensure that the different manpower requirements and the shortages that are there should be filled up at the earliest. But as I said, sir, this is not part of the principal question directly. Therefore, I don't have the exact details of how many manpower shortage and what is the process right now. But definitely, sir, this is a serious matter, and we will ensure that the different requirements and manpower that is there and the vacancies that are there are filled up at the earliest.
Sir, the Honorable Minister on his reply has mentioned that the planning has started from 2022. Does it necessarily always take a DPR to be prepared for 2-3 years?
Sir, there are 3 colleges which we have to look at. And therefore, the process of identification of land and making the land available, and also working into the different aspects of the manpower requirement, and also the entire process of planning a particular college, sir, does take time. Does it necessarily take 3 to 4 years? Not normally, sir. But as I said, we have 3 colleges that we are trying to target at the same time. And therefore, the process took much longer than we had expected. Just to give an idea to the House also, that apart from the fact that there are 3 colleges that we are targeting, we also have got concerns because the financial requirement is quite large. So, for example, the requirement for the veterinary college alone is about 334 crores that will require. Land, of course, has been identified. We have about 800 acres of land which we have identified for this. And this is, just so that the House is aware, this is in Kirdamkulai area, in Umsning block, in Ribhoy is where the land has been identified. And also, sir, there are a huge requirement of manpower is also there. There are 19 departments that are proposed that will be there. So all of this does require time, sir. But yes, we also had constraints because there was a requirement for huge financial commitments from all sides for this. And all of these matters put together has delayed the decision a bit. But, sir, as you must have heard in my budget speech yesterday, I have categorically mentioned about these colleges in my speech. And definitely, sir, we are serious about this, and steps will be taken to fasten the entire process, sir.